I don't want to encapsulate this crawl space yet, but I did want to put down a real vapor barrier. So I got 6 mil plastic, laid it everywhere. Hello, today we are going to go into the crawl space. I'm going to try to give you an update. When I was doing the foundation vent installation video, I said I was doing some things here in the crawl space. So let me take you in and show you. Let me grab my box. I like to put everything that I'm going to need to go into the crawl space in a box. And if you find trash under there, which I've already cleaned, but you can throw it in the box and help you get it out. You can scoot it in front of you. So let's see. All right, so here's the area we're trying as a root cell. Like I say, this is all experimental. We've got some potatoes and carrots. And there goes a cat. They love it when the door's open. So what I'm doing, one of the things I've been doing is I wanted to buy everything from a big box store locally. If you want a lot of good information, go to Crawl Space Ninjas. They have a lot of good information. I don't want to encapsulate this crawl space yet, but I did want to put down a real vapor barrier. So I got 6 mil plastic, laid it everywhere, and then you probably have already noticed I used zip tape and rolled it, and it is doing great at adhering to the cinder block. And I did all the seams on the floor the same way, and around the center support columns around the block. So there has been hours of entertainment just doing that. And while we're talking about zip tape, let me go outside and show you something. Again, another approved method of zip tape, but if you'll look up here, my gutter, the moving truck driver was trying to back in so he could get the ramp onto the steps, and he hit the gutter, which was me. I was the moving truck driver, so I fixed that like 9 months ago with that zip tape, and it is holding. So, you know, great product. I have always been teased that I like tape. So we'll go back in to the crawl space. Cat goes out. The other project I've been doing is, through my research about energy efficiency, at the band joist here, and there is no insulation yet under the floor. This was barely insulated, just like a small section. So I took it all out, sprayed my mold remediation fluid, and then I cut, let's see, that's 3/4 inch foam board. It is the expanded polystyrene, like styrofoam chest material. It breathes. It's not, doesn't have a, if you get moisture trapped behind it, it does have a chance to get out. But there's a huge amount of air leakage from, in the typical house there at your band joist, but where the wall meets up over our heads. So before I insulate it, I'm going to go back with rock wool. But this is there we go. So I've been all the way around. I've got one last section to foam. Use the great stuff to seal around the edge. So I'll take you in the back and we'll do that. And that's been the project here. Get a vapor barrier down, and it seems to really be working. The house is much drier. I've been running a dehumidifier in this house because of the amount of moisture we had to deal with. Here's another one of here's the seam on the floor. We're here at the back wall where I've just got the foam board put in place, but I haven't foamed yet. This is the last quarter of the house to do. This is the vent I was putting in a week or so ago, and that looks like it's doing good. I may actually, it's got a pretty good gap. I may actually foam around it. I don't know. It's doing good. Let's hit it with a little bit of foam. Now be careful. This is not the door and window foam. This you have to be careful with, or you'll bow out a door frame with it. Something else I need to cut out that got. So we're just going to go around all the edges. And some of this you can't see extremely well, and I can't either. I've got a headlamp on, but it's tight in here. There we go. All right, so that is the update of the crawl space. If you have questions, comments, please leave them. I will always try to answer. Not an expert, but I have been doing research on home energy efficiency and water vapor. The other thing I want to mention, since I have sealed the plastic, we've had 4 or 5 inches of rain over a few days. It does not smell like wet dirt down in here, so I am really happy with that. I'm looking forward to getting the rest of the vents replaced. I believe I have 4 more, so that's on my to-do list. But today I just want to finish up this insulation of the band joist on the outside, and then over the next few months before snow falls again, I will get under here and insulate this. So I'll bring you back down in a few months when we start with the rock wool insulation. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. That is great for us. It just lets us know someone else is watching the videos other than my wife and I. We will talk to you later. Bye.